Hey everyone, it is Sparkle and welcome back to my channel. This video I will be showing you how to do a floral arrangement. Really easy and simple. Today I will be using this vase. This vase came from Hobby Lobby, and the floral arrangement that I'll be making, it will be all greenery, everything green. So it'll be more like a traditional look because that's the look that I'm going for. But these are the floral stems that I'll be using. These are from Michael's, and I got these on sale about a month ago, maybe 2 months ago. So I got a good sale on these, but I will be using these floral cutters and some floral foam. So if you would like to see this video, please keep watching. With this arrangement, you can use any type of florals of your choice. If you wanted to add in some color, you can do that, but starting off, I like to measure the foam just to make sure that I get a good fit inside the vase. So I'm going to cut it, and this knife that I'm using, I don't use it. I only use it for my floral arrangements. So I'm measuring it and I see that it needs cut again, so I'm gonna cut it one more time just to get that foam in there. And also you can use moss to sit at the top, but I didn't have any more moss, so it's not going to matter because you won't be able to see the foam. So I'm going to put the ferns in here first, and I'm just going to cut the stems. Now I have the ferns in there, and I'm going to add the other green stems in there. Now I'm just, just measuring it and pretty much just eyeballing on how I want the arrangement to go. I do have an idea in my head, but like I said, I'm just basically just freestyling with it. I'm just adding, as I go along. If I feel like I need more, then I will put more in there. I really like making these kind of arrangements. You can use any type of leaves, different kinds, and put them all together and it will look right. So with this kind of arrangement, you can't go wrong. Like I said, it's more of a traditional look, and I think it will go with any kind of style of decor that you have. You can also put it in any place in your home, any room. It will go in the bathroom, the living room, on a TV stand, in your kitchen, just different places. It also makes a nice table centerpiece. So later on I will, move it around, probably put it in the living room, on the coffee table. So I'm really excited about that because I will be making more of these. Especially going into the fall season. You can add in some fall stems, some pumpkins, just different things like that. So I really love making these. with these stems that you see here, the longer ones, after this video I did add some more just to make it a little fuller, and it looked beautiful. But it did turn out, with the few that I did put in here, it did still look nice, so y'all will see that also. But you know, it's up to you on how full you want it to be. Either way, whether it's full, it's not full, it'll still look beautiful. So now I am just filling it in all the way around. So when you do this, just try to make it even, going all around, kind of, you know, have some kind of balance to it, if that makes any sense. But once you start making it, and like I said, you just eyeball it, then you will see how many you need to put in. So now I'm just fluffing it out, bending the stems to get it the way I want it. And here's how it turned out. So it turned out really beautiful, and I'm going to put it back here on this table.